Here we have little Cody, a week and a day old, all snuggled up and sleepy, and he's got the hiccups. How can I not record hiccups? It's so cute. Are you done with your hiccups? It's Mom be too late. Aw, he's opening it. Oh, no, there was another hiccup. Hi, honey. Mama's here. Oh, cute little hiccups. Oh, baby. You're still so tiny. Look at you. How much do you weigh today? 2 pounds and 11.2 ounces. You're gaining pretty quick there, buddy. You gained almost a whole ounce from yesterday. That's awesome. You're getting there. Oh, little squeak of a hiccup. And his hair is growing too. Look at all that hair. He's got hiccups.
Aww. Sometimes if you can get him to suck on the pacifier, that'll help go away.
I don't mind hiccups. It's exercising their lungs. Yeah.
You want, as soon as I get his meds, I'm going to hook up his caffeine real quick. But
Okay.
you can pull one of the chairs up and just make the bed go down.
Okay.
So you can sit and talk to him.
No. Oh, you getting upset now, honey?